Hinduism, the Yamas and Niyamas, from the Yoga Sutras and Bhagavad Gita. Yamas, restraints, ethical rules. 1. Ahimsa, non-violence, declarative. Ahimsa is the highest duty. Yoga Sutras 2.30. 2. Satya, truthfulness, emphatic. Speak the truth always. Bhagavad Gita 17:15. 3. Asteya, non-stealing, commanding. Do not steal. Yoga Sutras 2.30. 4. Brahmacharya, celibacy, self-control, instructive. Control your senses. Yoga Sutras 2.38. 5. Aparigraha, non-possessiveness, calm. Detach from material possessions. Yoga Sutras 2.39. Niyamas, observances, positive duties. 6. Shaucha, purity, gentle. Keep body and mind pure. Yoga Sutras 2.40. 7. Santosha, contentment, wise. Be content in all conditions. Yoga Sutras 2.42. 8. Tapas, discipline, powerful. Self-discipline burns impurities. Yoga Sutras 2.43. 9. Svadhyaya, self-study and scripture study, encouraging. Study the self and scriptures. Yoga Sutras 2.44. 10. Ishvarapranidhana, surrender to God, profound. Surrender to the Supreme. Yoga Sutras 2.45.